Hey everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video you will learn how you can easily delete your product in Oberlo. So let's start. How you can delete products. There are two actual ways how we can do it. The first one is when you're going to click on my products and you're going to click on the product, you're going to see here delete product. Or if you're going to here it's a product and you actually exported your product to your Shopify store, you can go here and just click on it, actions, and delete selected products. And these are the two ways how you can delete a product. Quite easy, quite simple. Or more actions from import list and remove product here. It's honestly really easy. So yeah, this is how we actually do it. And that's kind of it. So thank you, have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.